back to Tiny Tales with Tia. Today we're going to be reading Change Starts With Us. Change starts with planting trees. Change starts with choosing nude food. If you don't know what nude food is, it's food that doesn't have any wrapping. Change starts with saving power. You could use the washing line instead of the dryer. Change starts with bringing your own water bottles. Change starts with eating less meat. Change starts with reusing and recycling. Change starts with ditching the car. You could walk or bike to wherever you need to go. Change starts with picking up rubbish so that none of it goes into the sea and hurts some animals. Change starts with us. Thank you for reading this book with me. Do you think you're going to try some of the things? I sure will. Bye. See you next time.